Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and open up the Facebook app. Now go to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines. Okay, if you're using iOS, it might be right here at the bottom right. So once that's done, tap on settings or the gear icon. And if you can't find it, okay, you gotta want to scroll down and tap on settings and privacy, like so, and tap on settings. Now in here, just tap on Meta Account Center. Okay. Tap on it and tap on passwords and security. And here we have the two-factor authentication section. Just tap on it. Select your account. Now it may ask you to re-enter your account. Just go ahead and do so. And just hit on continue. Now, for example, you have the authentication app or SMS or WhatsApp for your authenticator. You just got to tap on it and just tap on disable. Or there will be a slider. Just go ahead and turn it off. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.